Ang dami palang influencers na nagpupunta dito.
Si Liv?
Ito yung naka-pink, di ba siya influencer?
Hindi siya influencer.
Lagi ko kasi siyang nakikita sa mga stories ni Coach Zach. Di ba yun yung mga collab-collab nila ganon? Close pa sila?
They're more than close.
Sino yung mga kasama niya?
Yung naka-white, that's A. She may look like an angel, but she definitely ain't one. Tapos yung naka-yellow ribbon, that's Yana. Sabi nila her family's so well connected, and her dad works directly for a Dubai Sheik. Tawag sa kanila the squad. As in, pep squad. Dati silang campus cheerleaders that became inseparable friends. Parang perfectly balanced na pyramid na hindi bumabagsak.